Okay friends, in previous video we have seen distribution factor, moment distribution, design constants and everything. Now obviously for rectangular water tank or whatever it is there, we have to design for long wall and we have to design for short wall. No complication here, as we have seen in our resting on ground procedure, same procedure. Only the thing is there we will consider it as tension, here we will consider it as compression. Okay, now so let's go for design of long wall. First of all we have to find it support. Now just I will draw the small diagram here. These are nothing but supports. Okay, these are nothing but center we have to design, and at center we have to design. Now moment, what is moment at support here? That is 73.89 kilonewton meter. Same value I am taking here. Compression, as we have seen in my previous video, you will get compression value, that is 63.84 kilonewton. Now AST for moment, the formula is standard formula which we have seen before, that is M upon sigma ST into J into D. What is sigma ST here? Permissible stress in steel. J is nothing but lever arm. D is nothing but depth. Here that is 73.89 into 10:6 divided by 130 into J value in my first video we have found, that is 0.861. D, that is 250 mm. Here how we got this D value, we have to know that one. Here if you see, we are having one formula, that is moment formula, Q into BD square. Q is nothing but moment resisting factor, B is nothing but width. Obviously whenever we are designing we will take width as 1000. Okay, now moment it is there here, 73.89 into 10:6, 1.80. D is unknown here. If I am calculating this value, I am getting D as 202.6 mm. Now adopt 250 mm. Here I got 200 mm. For suppose if you see 202, I can take 200 also, but as we are taking, whenever we are designing, we should not take minimum value. Maximum value how much it is there, if you take that value, our design will be safe and our structure will be good. Now so adopt depth, that is effective depth is equal to 250 mm. Now overall depth is equal to 250 plus 50. 50 is nothing but clear cover. How much I am getting here? 300 mm. Same 250 value I will apply here. So how much I am getting AST here? 26405.58 mm square. Now how much reinforcement I am providing here? Provide 20 mm dia at the rate of 110 mm center to center. Okay, 20 mm dia and center to center distance is 110 mm. Okay, like this we have to do design. Now before, the difference between before and now, here we can see, before we have find for design of tension, check for tension. Now we are doing for check for compression. Now maximum compressive steel, here one more step will be added, that is obviously what is our stress formula, that is force upon area. Here how much force it is there? 63.8434 into 10 cube divided by B into D, that is our area formula. B is nothing but width, D is nothing but depth, just we have seen. B is equal to 1000, D is equal to 300. So overall how much I am getting? Maximum compressive stress, that is 0.2 Newton per mm square. Now if you go to, there is one more value here, it is there. Go to IS 3370 part 2. If you go there you will get this value. Okay, here M30, that is for M30 sigma CC is equal to 8 Newton per mm square, means here compressive stress in concrete, here for M30 grade of concrete, the sigma CC value is 8 Newton per mm square. Now how much value we are getting here? 0.21. So here 0.21 is less than 8 Newton per mm square, hence it is okay. Why I am saying here okay is, the maximum value is 8 Newton per mm square. Here how much value it is there? 0.21 Newton per mm square. So as it is less than this value, hence it is okay. in this case, for suppose you are getting 8.5, 8.2 or 8.3, at that case we have to prefer this sigma cc as 8 Newton per mm square. Okay, once again I am saying here, as it is less than 8, okay, hence it is okay for our, based on our dimension and design and everything. If it is greater than 8, immediately what we have to do, we have to change our, we have to take as it is value, means 8 is a 8 as it is we have to take. For suppose if it is getting 8.9 also, prefer as 8. Now minimum reinforcement, that is, what is my capital D? 300 mm. Now obviously before, from before we are saying the overall depth is 300 mm, and here at top, means from top what will be the, okay, now at bottom what it is there? Soil it is there. So no need of providing here steel due to decreasing of our cost. Okay, now for one zone PT minimum is 0.24%. Zone 1 means zone 2, zone 1. Okay, for one zone we will design, and for remaining zone we will leave as it is, because there already at ground floor there is some soil. So for one zone PT minimum is 0.24%. This is for M30 grade of concrete. Okay, AST minimum is PT into B into D, that is 0.24 divided by 100 into 1000. For suppose here 300 is there, divided by 2, 150. 150 for one zone means only the depth is here 150 mm. So AST minimum is 360 mm square, means for long wall or short wall, whatever design it is there, minimum AST value is 360 mm square, which we have to provide. Now distribution steel, for one zone what is our AST minimum? 360 mm square. AST on each face, means for suppose if I want to provide in both case, this case will be 360 mm square and here 360 mm square will be there as it is. Now how much we have to provide? That is 10 dia. Here I am taking 10 dia, no need to take 10 dia. If you want to decrease that value, take 8 mm dia or 6 mm dia or 12 mm dia. Here I am preferring as 10 mm dia at the rate of 210 mm center to center. Here if I am calculating AST provided, what is the AST provided formula? Pi by 4 d square divided by spacing into 1000. No need of saying once again here. So by calculating this value I am getting 374 mm square, hence it is okay. Now we have find for support. Now we have to we should find for at center, means here you can say at center what is our moment? 68.62, and compressive, that is compression is 63.34 kilonewton. Now modified moment, that is nothing but capital M minus C into X. What is our capital M? 68.62 minus C into X. This formula we have seen before also. M minus T into X. Here T is nothing but tension, C is nothing but compression. Before, because if you see in my design of rectangular water tank which is resisting on ground, there you will see T into X. But here as it is there in compression, here will be C into X. So now 68.62 minus compression value is 63.34 into 0.1. How this 0.1 will be? I will say now here. This is my 300 mm width. Exactly at the center means what? 150, 150. Here what I am removing? I am removing here clear cover. That is 150 minus 50, 100 mm. That is nothing but 0.1 meter. Same value I am taking here. Means whenever we are finding modified moment, we have to remove our clear cover also. By calculating this value, I am getting as 62.28 kilonewton meter. Now AST for moment formula is again same, M upon sigma ST into J into D. Same value will get by calculating this value 3226 mm square. Now how much I am providing here? 20 mm dia at the rate of 140 mm center to center on liquid phase, means this is my liquid phase. Okay, and okay, now design of short wall, again same here, provide 20 mm dia, 140 mm center to center on liquid phase. AST is 2244, 2244, 2226. So both are nearest value, so it is okay for providing AST area of, that is area of steel. Now we have to design for short wall. Now long wall has completed. Now we have to design for short wall. Procedure, everything is same. No need of changes here. Again, take moment, compression value, AST provided, that is 2640. What is the formula here? AST M upon sigma ST into J into D. Instead of increasing time here, I am calculating here as, because we have seen in our rectangular water tank which is resting on ground. Now we have designed for a long wall. Again same procedure. So I am explaining here how much values it is there. Here same as long wall. Same, only here the compression will be changed and moment will be changed. Remaining all will be same. Here modified moment. By calculating AST here I am getting 2640.58 mm square. Same as long wall. Now how much I have to provide? Provide 20 mm dia at the rate of 110 mm center to center at support. Means at support, this in this way. Okay. How much we are getting? 2846 mm square. Now distribution still. Again minimum AST on each face. For suppose this is my short wall. Okay. For short wall it is 4 meter. Okay. Divided by 2. Same. That is 2 meter. If I am calculating this value, as here, if you are getting less value also no problem, because there we have find AST minimum is 360 mm square. Same value we can take here. Now here how much diameter of bar I am providing? 10 dia at the rate of 210 mm center to center. If I am calculating this value, 374 mm square. No need of calculation here. If I am taking 2 meter, what will happen here? You will get only less value. But AST minimum is 360 mm square. Same value we will take here. Now at center, again take the moment here, that is 31.66. Compression is 95.01. Again same procedure. Find out the AST and provide here. Okay. Same procedure. Now finishing. Finishing means now just still now we have designed for long wall, short wall. This is H minus H and this is small h. Means here this H minus H will act as cantilever. This H minus H will act as continuous beam and this small h will act as cantilever. Now we will see for cantilever movement for bottom 1 meter height. Just this is 1 meter height. Here if you see in my starting before video, there you will see this pressure how much it is there, that is 31.6 kilonewton per meter square. Now we have to find this pressure, means pressure at base. Pressure at base, that is equal to Ka. Ka is nothing but coefficient factor, gamma dash is nothing but unit weight of water, and h is nothing but overall height, gamma w into height. Okay. Now to find this pressure, means up from here to here, overall height we have to find, that is Ka. Already we have seen in my previous video, that is 1 by 3. Gamma dash, that is gamma sat minus gamma w. Gamma sat is 18, unit weight of water is 10. So I am getting here 8 kilonewton per meter square. Overall height is 3.5 and gamma w is 10 into 3.5. How much I am getting here? 44.33 kilonewton per meter square. So pressure at base means here overall pressure is 44.33. Here only the height will be changed. If you see overall height, how much here it is there? 3.5 meter. From here to here it is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter plus 1, 3.5. At 3.5 meter height, this is the pressure, and at 2.5 meter, this is the pressure. Understood? Now moment at base. Obviously whenever we are finding the moment, bending moment at base, we have to remove here bending moment, that is half into base into height into center of gravity, that is half into base pressure is 44.33, height how much here it is there? 1 meter into 1 into 1 by 3, because the center of right angle triangle is by 3. By calculating this one, I am getting moment as 7.38. Now obviously AST formula M upon sigma ST into J into D. What is this formula? M upon sigma ST into J into D. What is moment here? 7.38 into 10:6. I am converting it here into Newton per mm square, and sigma ST value is 130 as per IS 3370 part 2, and lever arm value just we have seen before, we have seen 1 minus K divided by 3. I am getting here 0.861, and depth, that is 250 mm. Depth 250 mm is same here. Again for suppose depth we have find that is small d is equal to 250, capital D is equal to 250 plus 50, that is clear cover. By calculating this value 264 mm square. Now here condition is, what is our AST minimum? 360 mm square. As it is less than this value, I have to provide here 360 mm square itself. Why? Because of our safety purpose. Now AST provided is 10 mm dia at the rate of 210 mm center to center. If I am calculating this value, overall AST is 374 mm square. Okay. In this way we have to design our rectangular water tank which is underground. Okay. Thank you.